Ooh, that's a big red right there. That's a big red right there. What's up, guys? Out here, it's the day before Thanksgiving. We got off work early, drug the boat to work. We're here at Mullock Creek Marina, and we're about to use their ramp. Haven't been here, but seems like a pretty decent place. You know, we can launch the whaler damn near anywhere. So yeah, sorry I didn't get a video to you guys this week. Gonna try to get this video edited and uploaded on Friday. Hopefully you guys are seeing this Friday evening, if we catch stuff. So let's go ahead and get the boat launched, and we'll get right at you with the action. Stay tuned in. The fish right there, a little snook or something. It is a low tide, guys. Low tide, very low tide. It's like a 2 foot deep right here coming through this creek. So it's pretty low. We're gonna see how we do running out of here. Got something. What do I got here? Little snooky snook. Little snooky snook right here. Surprising. Actually, not really. Found somewhere where the water's warmer. And what do you know? The snook are there. Alright, come on before you hook me in my vein. There we go, guys. Nice little snook right there. Little guy. Big mama at. Another little snook. Little guy. Little guy. Nice red. Nice red right here, guys. Nice freaking red right here. Oh, we got a good one here, guys. Nice red right here, guys. That's all I'm talking about, baby. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Ah, get your ass in the net, boy. Alright, fine. Wanna go sideways into the net? Yes, sir! Woo! Thick redfish right there. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Nice redfish. Nice one right here, guys. Freaking sweet fish. We're back in the water now. Woo! Ooh, that's a big red right there. That's a big red right there. That's a big red right there. Sorry, Albert. I'm out here playing with your pets today. That's a big red right there. He's trying everything he can. Taking me for a sleigh ride. This is a big red. He's got my arm wore out, guys. Come on, baby. 30 inch plus red right here, guys. And he's barely hooked. Come on, bitch, come get in the net. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's go. Yee! Gotta get a good measurement on her. So she's freaking 30, dude. That mark is 28. This mark is 33. And she's about right there in the middle of those two. I'd say that's a 30 right there. Yeah, baby. Look at that freaking tail, guys. Look at that giant tail. That's right over my face right now. It's this whole size of my face. Woo! Beautiful redfish right there, guys. Woo! Let's get her back in the water. Let's get her back in the water. Oh, yeah. That's a freaking toad right there. That is a toad red right there. Whew. Make sure we get her nice and revived. Or click on the trolling motor. Get us a good little speed going here. Freaking beautiful fish right here, guys. Beautiful fish. I mean, check out that tail right there. Check out that tail. Oh, there she goes. There she goes. So when I first got out this morning, I was throwing a new penny color, and of course I'm throwing the DOA on the 3/16 ounce trout eye finesse. This is my favorite, absolute favorite inshore lure right here. You can take your hard baits, and your little jerk baits, and you can piss off with them, because this thing right here will catch everything. I switched over to the black and gold color just to give it some extra flash out here in these murky waters. As you can see, it's not very clear out here. We are in the very back wall of Estero Bay. So we changed up to this, and the big key to fishing this time of year when the water is, let me check the water temp right here. Where's the water temp at back here? The water temp is 72. When we started fishing this morning, it was 60, or I'm sorry, this afternoon, it was 67 degrees. When the water's colder like this, you really want to slow down your retrieve. I mean, that fish that hit right there, I didn't even really feel him hit it because of how slow I was working my bait. And he just ended up having to hit it, you know, when I started reeling up. You really want to slow down your retrieve in the winter months. You can still use the paddle tail, but you really want to slow it down. I try not to do a lot of steady retrieves because you can't go too slow with these, or else the paddle won't work. So I really bump the bottom with a slow retrieve when I'm fishing in the winter time. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's video. A couple good fish after getting off of work early, so can't complain about that. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.